Meaning of foetid.
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 Foetid. Foetid is an adjective that describes something as having a strong, unpleasant smell. It can refer to anything from garbage and stale food to mold or chemical odors. When something is foetid, it emits a strong and often overwhelming scent that can trigger nausea or discomfort in those who are sensitive to smells. This word is often used to describe decaying or decomposing organic matter, as well as areas that lack proper ventilation and sanitation. Overall, foetid is a term used to describe an intense and unpleasant odor that can be difficult to tolerate.